Today I'm going to show you how to make this glitter diamond box. Hey guys, if you're new to the channel, subscribe for all new videos, as there's new videos posted almost every day. Also remember to click that notification bell to be notified. So let's get started. I ended up purchasing all of these items from the local Dollarama. Here we have a wooden lock box. This box will come in handy for holding many different things. Either jewelry, cards, crafts, or anything you'd like to put inside the box. Next, I picked up a piece of felt so we can line the bottom of the box. The color of this felt is teal blue. Now walking through the Dollarama, this next item caught my eye, as I love anything sparkly. This is an adhesive film to cover anything like books, boxes, if you're making cards, or anything crafty. I mean, if you don't want to use this stuff, you can always just buy like a glitter glue or just glue glitter to your box, but you'll see why I picked this up. So keep following along and I will show you how I attach it to this box. So this stuff is almost like a firm wrapping paper, just that on the one side it's like a big sticker, and on this side it's nothing but sparkle. So I'm just going to put the box onto the paper, either draw a line or just cut right along the edge of the box. You might need something to keep the roll from rolling towards you, so that's why I use the scissors and a ruler to keep my paper more flat. I did try drawing a line, but I found it easier just to cut it right out, so you can get it the exact size as you need. And then just cut it out. So all you need to do is just pull off the paper off the adhesive backside. This will allow the film to stick to your wooden box. I'm just making sure that it will fit and there's no extra hangover. And then just carefully put it from corner to corner and smoothly rub it on. Making sure there's no air bubbles underneath. So remember when I said you can either use sparkles or glitter glue? Well, the nice thing about this paper is it doesn't come off. The sparkles don't come off the paper. So you don't have to worry about that glitter getting all over your house. I'm just making sure it's got a good bond and no air bubbles. So once we got the bottom side done, we're going to do the same to the top and also the sides. So I'll speed up the video and you can just keep watching until the next step. So I found it a lot easier just to lay the piece on the whole side, and then we'll just cut the line to separate the lid from the bottom part so you can open up the box. So I just kind of use my fingernails just to make sure I know where the line is, the separation, and then I take the X-Acto knife and run it down the crack of the box. This will give you that separation line so you can open your box and still have a pretty straight line. Now when it comes to where the hinges are, it's a little bit more tricky. So just be careful to cut around the hinges, unless you want to take the hinges right off and screw them back on. That may be easier. I was also being kind of lazy, and I'm not sure if you take the screws out, if they'll hold properly when you put them back in. So that's why I'm just going to cut around the hinges. Just be very careful because this stuff does rip. So now that we have all of the sides of our boxes cut and attached, the next step is to put the liner on the bottom inside of the box. So just measure out the size of the inner side of your box and cut it out. You can use any color that you like. And if you really want to, you can line your whole box with the felt. But I'm just going to put a felt piece on the bottom. So now we have a bit of a softer bottom inside the box. If you want to, you can glue it down, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to leave it like that. There we have our sparkle box. So the next step, I picked up this high gloss varnish from Michaels. This will help our film around our box stick to our box better. And it won't come off, as the film is just like a sticker. I'm going to be using this sponge paint brush to paint on our varnish. It almost looks like a glue. It is quite thick, but it dries clear. And you want to give a good coat over the whole box. Overall, after the first coat, I give it another coat, and in total I give it 3 full coats, just to make sure that the film on the box does not come off. I also give the inside of the box a couple of coats, just to make the wood a little more glossy and give it a finished look. But as the box is drying, do not close the box, or you'll glue your box shut. I did pull the felt piece out, but I'll lay it back in once it's dry. So there we go, it's completely done. The box is dry and you can see how sparkly it is. I love that none of the sparkles come off, and now I have a box that glistens and is beautiful to put any item inside you'd like to keep. So if you enjoyed this craft video, subscribe for more videos and make sure to click that notification bell to be notified for every video that's posted, as I have different videos coming up every day. From travel, product reviews, animals, pets, and much more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next video.